Now you can complete tire repairs anywhere, no air hoses or cords required. Introducing Milwaukee's new cordless tire buffer. This powerful 2-in-1 tool allows you to drill out puncture damage and buff the inner liner using the same tool. It's changing the way professional tire repair technicians feel about battery-operated tools and is the perfect solution for mobile technicians where space on your truck is at a premium. With dual-mode variable speed drive controls, you can quickly switch between the 1200 RPM drilling setting and the 2500 RPM low-speed buffing setting. This tool is perfectly calibrated and ergonomically designed to help you achieve an even, consistent buffing texture. Simply swap out your carbide cutter for your buffing wheel, and you can go from removing puncture damage to prepping the inner liner for repair installation in just seconds. It even has a built-in LED light to illuminate your work area. Milwaukee packed a lot of power in this compact and lightweight package, and the impressive M12 red lithium batteries allow you to perform up to 30 repairs on a single charge. Tech offers the buffer by itself or the M12 kit, which includes the buffer, one XC 4.0 battery, one CP 2.0 battery, charger, and carrying case. Mobile 12-volt battery chargers are also available to upgrade your complete package. To order your M12 cordless buffer, ask your local tech distributor or visit techtirerepairs.com.